Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a slow Windows 11 PC after a Windows update. It's a very common issue. Sometimes after installing updates, your computer may feel sluggish, applications may take longer to open, or overall performance may drop. The good news is that there are several simple steps you can follow to speed up your PC and get it running smoothly again. Let's get started. Step 1. Clear the software distribution download folder. First, open File Explorer. You can search for File Explorer from the Start menu and open it. Once File Explorer is open Local Disk C. Go to the Windows folder. Scroll down and open Software Distribution. Open the Download folder. Inside the Download folder, select all files and delete them. These are temporary Windows Update files that are no longer needed and can sometimes cause update-related performance issues. After deleting the files, close File Explorer. Step 2. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Next, click the Start menu and search for Troubleshoot settings. When the Troubleshoot window opens, click Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Update. Click Run. Windows will now check for update-related problems and automatically repair any issues it finds. The process may take a few minutes, so allow it to complete. Once finished, close the troubleshooter. Step 3. Clean up temporary and junk files. Now we'll remove unnecessary files that may be slowing down the system. Right-click the Start button, select Run. Type Cleaner. Click OK. The Disk Cleanup utility will open. Check all available categories including temporary internet files, delivery optimization files, DirectX shader cache, temporary files, recycle bin, thumbnails. After selecting the items, click OK and then delete files. This process only removes temporary and unnecessary files. It will not delete your personal documents, photos, or other important files. Step 4. Disable unnecessary startup programs. Too many startup applications can significantly slow down Windows. To manage startup programs, right-click the Start button, select Task Manager, open the Startup Apps tab. Review the list carefully and disable applications that you do not need launching every time Windows starts. For example, you may want to disable Microsoft Teams, Steam, Discord, Spotify, other non-essential applications. To disable an item, select the application, click Disable. Keeping only essential startup apps enabled can noticeably improve boot time and overall performance. Step 5. Repair corrupted system files. Now we'll scan Windows for damaged or missing system files. Search for CMD. Select Run as administrator. Click Yes if prompted by user account control. In command prompt, type SFC/scannow. Press Enter. Windows will begin scanning and repairing system files automatically. This process may take several minutes depending on your hardware. Wait until the scan reaches 100% and completes successfully. Step 6. Turn on game mode for better performance. Windows 11 includes a built-in game mode that can improve system responsiveness by prioritizing resources and reducing background activity. To enable it, open Settings, click Gaming, select Game Mode, turn Game Mode on. Even if you are not a gamer, enabling game mode can help reduce background tasks and improve overall performance on some systems. Final step. Restart your computer. Finally, restart your PC. A restart ensures that all repairs, cleanup tasks, and system changes are fully applied. Once Windows starts again, you should notice improved performance and smoother operation. And that's it. Those are some of the easiest and most effective ways to fix a slow Windows 11 computer after an update. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows 11 tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.